Moto says, would you still give dating a woman a shot? No thirsty. Yes, thirsty. No. I tried for like 1 second, like getting to know this person this year, and then it was like weird. And then I just felt like insecure, and I was like, nah, I'm good. I feel like guys, it's already a lot. Let me just stick to what I know. I feel like women, it's like hard. I don't understand them. I don't even understand myself. Why are y'all always trying to make Ari lesbian? Because Ari has made herself very lesbian. Ari has made herself lesbian quite.
We got hit.
Yes.
So I'm gonna say
What
this.
would you do to find that paper?
Hold on. Shh. So I'm gonna say this about Ari Lennox. Ari Lennox is a fucking weirdo.
She sound like one.
She's a fucking weirdo. The way she talk, her emotions be up and down. Some interviews she give great interviews. Some interviews she be looking blank face. Some of her music, I think, is sporadic too. Even like how she talk about her creative processes. So, and I think that comes back to her life being erratic too. Now she want to date women. Now she want to go back to men and all the ups and the downs and shit like that. Like, bro, you need to find something to stick with it and get good at it. And I think this go back to what I say. People quit too early. A lot of y'all be having dating issues with men and be like, "Fuck this, I'm gonna go eat some pussy." And then you ain't even dated men long enough to really figure them out. You think you finna figure out how to date a woman, and now we see all these women coming out talking about like the lesbian before her, talking about how she can have more reciprocity dating a man because women are looking for parents instead of actually being life partners, wives, or whatever you want to look at. But like I said, as far as Ari Lennox, I think she's a weirdo. I think her talking about she being a lesbian and now she trying to go back and date dudes and stuff like that is just it's indicative of her life.
So Carisha, hold up. So Carisha, how you feel about it?
I just feel like she just lost. Honestly, I think that she's just following a trend, like, because I don't think that she knows what she really wants because she's just like at a toss up where she's done with men and she done, she try the women. But I honestly feel like she gonna get that same experience that she got with the men from the women because she keep tossing her salad. Like
I got
Yeah.
I said, tossing salad.
Toss us up. Cam, how you feel about that, Cam?
She done with men. She done with women. She must want a baboon or something.
She want to move on.
This motherfucker, like, but no, for real though, like, man, I don't be understanding stuff like that, man, because like, it's like with me, bro, I done had so many bad experiences. This man done went left, but I done had so many bad experiences with females, but at no point will I ever let's let this nigga get through this call.
Sorry, guys. Go ahead, guys.
Hotline bling.
Go
Okay,
ahead, Cam.
Drake.
Hold on. Go ahead,
He
Cam.
took a whole phone call. Yeah, man, I got my parlay in. The bitch ain't hit.
Oh,
Yeah, but
Mine didn't hit either.
back to what we were saying, like, man, I done been through so much with women, man. Like, had bad experience, but never have I found anything about another man attractive. You know what I'm saying? Not knocking nobody for what they choose to do with themselves. You know what I'm saying? That's your preference. You do what you do. You grown. But like me, I ain't finna like. I don't care how bad to get with females. I'm gonna find me one that's worth something.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Ari Lennox, she ain't that music she making. She ain't living to that shit. She need to find out some real pressure. She should have just found me.
I'm with you.
I think she.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask y'all this question, Ricky. Hold on.
Go ahead.
My mom used to say this. It is a lot easier for a man to find a good woman than a woman to find a good man. Do y'all think that's true?
Hold on. Ask that again.
My mama said it's easier for a man to find a good woman than it is for a woman to find a good man.
Can I let me answer that. Well, let me comment to that. The reason I feel like she said that is because of today's generation. And the reason I say that is because men, you like she say, men, you like what you like. And so when men go for the woman that they like, You know what I'm saying? That's kind of like that's what they going with. Like that's what they're attracted to. Get what I'm saying? So when he do finally find that one that he's attracted to that's ready to hold it down, you know what I'm saying? I feel like men submit to that situation a little bit easy.
Diana said Mama was right.
Okay, Alice, what you feel about that? How you feel about that? The video?
The video?
Or the
Okay,
question?
so I'm an Ari Lennox fan. All right. So, like y'all said, yes, she is very sporadic and it's making me very, very aggravated, especially with the music, because I've been a fan for a while. When it comes to her dating life, I figured she would be feeling like this because she was in an abusive relationship.
Damn.
It was very bad. And she posted the man once and then deleted it. I'm still trying to figure out who it is. Yeah. But when she did a little segment on Jasmine Sullivan's whole tapes, she spoke on it. And so I feel like she's undiagnosed bipolar. And as a person,
sound like it.
As a person who is undiagnosed, I feel her. I feel her.
You can't say that because they try to cancel Amanda Seals for saying she what she said she was bipolar too or something. Well,
my mother is manic depression, bipolar, and my brother was schizophrenic.
I think everybody got bipolar.
Yes, I know when I'm bipolar. I'm very right now I'm not manic. Thank God. I'm
gonna ask you some real shit right now. Are you bipolar or are you just being a woman?
No, I'm very much bipolar. I know.
I want to talk to the science of
that. Go ahead. Let her finish. Let her finish.
I know in it because I feel like that's why I was such a hypersexual being. No, I was not touched. None of that. I don't know how to regulate. So right now I'm calm. I know how to deal with my bipolar. But when I'm manic, it's fucking mess. And when I look back and see what my friends were saying, how I used to be, it's annoying. So I can resonate with Ari because I know what she's going through. I don't want to be, me personally, I do want to, be diagnosed, but take meds because I know my issue with it. But I feel it. I feel it. Now, me personally, I thought I liked women. No. I don't. They're beautiful to look at. I've touched women, but the older I've gotten, especially, I've lived a life, but I don't want to be with no women. I don't want to be with no woman. But I don't. I'm sorry, but I understand where Ari is coming from. She really does need a diagnosis, or at least to know what her diagnosis is, so she can deal with it. But
so
as a fan,
I'm gonna ask you this question: what made you go to women then?
What made me? I mean,
trying something new.
No, honestly, I always knew that I did like them. Now, touching them, that was always my fear because I'd be like, oh well, I always heard bad stories about men. What they say, the bitch stink. So that's always been my fear. That was always my fear. And so I'm very OCD. I'm very sensitive because my grandmother's old school. They're super duper OCD. So I don't want to smell you. They never smelled me. That was my praise. I never smelled her growing up. So I don't want to smell no other female. And the few females that I did mess with, I didn't have to worry about that. But then, oh hell no!
It didn't smell like Captain D's down there.
Hell no! One had a little piercing down there, and it was amazing.
I like them on that little twang on
a little twang.
No, I would never go to a man. I try not to. I try not to. But me personally, as I got older, it's like, yeah, no, it's a no for me. I like them; they're beautiful, but.
So, but what made you say I'm gonna try to eat some cootie pop?
I mean, I always liked females, but now I know the type of person I am. I'm pansexual. I like what I like. If you flirt with me, if a tree can flirt with me, I'm gonna fuck it. Yeah. I'm gonna flirt with it too.
Damn, for real?
I mean, honestly, I like love. Whatever loves
you gotta learn it. Pansexual, demisexual, all this shit. I didn't learn that.
Yeah, I'm not. Now I don't do it with the T's. No offense. Don't do me like Dave Chappelle. I don't do that.
Fan keep blowing them. I'm finna fuck that fan.
No, not that. But I'm just saying that's just
Yeah.
I mean, I've
I
done my
just-
things. I've done my psychedelics. I fucked the shit out of
pay me,
spirit animals. But I understand why Ari is the way she is. Because me being undiagnosed, it's all over the place. And so
you
okay. All right, hold on.
Let's go around before you go. Before you go,
you got a rabbit in your nightstand. Go ahead, Chris.
Hold on. I want to get to this too.
we got
Go ahead, Chris. Go ahead. What you got,
hold
Chris?
on.
What you got, sis?
The reason that I think you relate to her, I think both of y'all kind of got the same personality.
we
they
do.
got a
And
record.
I
I
understand
can
as
see
the
that too.
weird black girl. I thoroughly understand. I did not know how to be black until I went to A&M.
Yeah.
but it's not just.
I bet that weird coochie good too.
It's
Yes,
a
because black people, I was an Oreo. They called me Oreo. So I didn't know how to be really black. Like I couldn't fit in with the black people. The white people didn't like me because I was black. I went through fucking identity crisis. I was Mexican.
I'm dealing. I just
white.
got done dealing with a girl.
Hey,
She
look, what
black
they say right
and-
there?
Yeah.
What they say right there? What
I
they say?
believe but
Each his own for me. No female.
I'm finna tell you why can't no
Alright.
female do what a man do.
Hold on. Everybody take the turn.
hold on.
Everybody take their turn.
One mic.
Chris turn.
One mic. Go
Chris
ahead,
turn.
Chris. All right, you got a rabbit in your nightstand. Go ahead, Chris.
All right, so from like I said, the background I have in studying this, 96.5 to 97% of personality disorders, such as schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, is passed down from mother to child.
Yeah, it is.
But
It
what
is.
people don't understand
True.
is
That's
bipolar disorder is found in 98% of women who have a promiscuous past.
Right.
You won't get bipolar disorder without promiscuity. It's like the glue tool. It's like a magnet in the refrigerator. Most people that display bipolar tendency have a promiscuous history, whether that be male or female. They were saying Chris Brown was bipolar.
Yeah. Oh, he's definitely.
I'm bipolar.
The thing is
let 'em
that,
finish.
that you're looking like women that go through these, let's say, a sexual identity crisis. It's more of is you see a woman on the same frequency as you. I can relate to her.
Yeah.
Now the relation starts to become a competition, because if you ask a woman, what a woman you were sexually with, let's say you had sexual experience with women, I guarantee y'all ain't friends right now. Y'all don't have no communication.
All the women I have touched, we are all friends.
So y'all cool.
Yes.
On what level?
What level? Okay, so
They ain't hit that ooh spot.
ooh, Pete hit the ooh. Okay, so it's only been 5. It's only been 5.
And y'all stay in contact to this day.
Yes.
In
Dead
what
ass.
fashion?
Okay, so one, she's getting married in September. I met her through Noah's dad, not biologically, but he helped me raise him since he was 3 months old. So she's getting married. That's all I can say. I think I said too much with that.
You did. You said the name.
No, I didn't say her name.
Okay,
I said Noah.
Oh.
Noah.
Yeah,
Nobody
but-
knows who Noah daddy is.
Let me clarify. But you're not in contact in the way you were intimate, meaning you don't link up.
Yeah, they here.
You still linking up?
She's still
No, that was one and done.
Okay,
that was one and done.
that's what I'm getting at.
But we're still cool. When she come, when I see her,
It'll be no difference than you dating a guy that you fuck but put him in the friend zone. Would
I
you
don't
say
even
that's
think-
the same dynamic?
no, I don't think
is.
it's even the same dynamic.
But you got niggas you fucked once, right? And you ain't fucked them again.
yeah, I know I didn't.
Meaning it ain't the same.
No. I learned discernment because I know how I
It's
am.
not about discernment, it's about what your body craves. If your nigga fucking you right, it don't matter if the nigga got 8 wives, 16 kids, you're still gonna fuck him because your body is gonna gravitate to
It's
him.
gonna want
Because he
it.
the only one that can get you
No,
to that level.
No, because I'm queen of hit and quit.
Nah.
No, but see, I don't know what type. I think that's the.
Your job pay you good?
Huh?
Your job pay you good?
Yes.
When you got your first check, did you quit?
No.
Why not?
Why? Because I need a job and I went.
Because
4
that
months
check was
without it.
good and you want
Okay, yeah, but
keep
then,
coming.
hold on. That's not. No, I hate how you do this.
That's
because
the
it does
same
not-
thing,
No,
though.
no.
Hold
Hold on. Go ahead.
No, it's not the same. It's not the same because there's people I know, and I wish I could, but I know me.
Who do you
I'm
have?
possessive.
Who do you have?
A lot
Same
of people.
person?
No,
You got one favorite that you
One
go to
favorite?
more than over the others.
no. My favorite, I can't even afford her no more.
bullshitting me.
I'm not bullshitting you. It's because it's not your norm.
So you got
And that's why
you got a woman that only did. You got 8 women that only did your hair.
I
one
have
time.
4 people right now who've done my hair.
Who done your hair the most?
Who's done my hair? Her
Yeah.
name is Drea
And
Dreams
she
on
done your hair
Facebook.
unequivocally more, exponentially more than the others, right?
Yes, and the only reason why.
That's my point.
But that doesn't have to do with me.
Yeah, it
fucking.
do.
Yes, it
No,
do.
it does
Yes,
not.
it
No,
do.
no, because
This person did your hair so much. I'm gonna let this person do my hair 12 times Versus this person on did my hair once.
They can do your because they can do your hair good once, but it can be the things that
they don't do it like the one they did at 12.
No,
he made me squirt one time, but he made me squirt 8 times.
No, that's not how women think. That's not how all women think. Y'all trying to put y'all
human.
Okay, human. Y'all are trying. Okay, y'all are men trying to put the word human on what it's supposed to be, and it's not. Pause. I'm trying to tell you, and you're interrupting.
Let him finish.
Let me. Okay, because
people got to process.
Let you process. Watch this process. That's what.
Go ahead.
Okay, so just because I don't go back and fuck, that has nothing to do with them. It is me. I am toxic as fuck. I'm a narcissist. So it is best that I don't continue to fuck you more than once. So it has nothing to do about how good the dick is. I just know me. I'm not meant for everybody. It has nothing to do with their dick.
So you have an obsessive personality.
Oh, I'm very obsessive. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
If we fucking good, you ain't finna just get rid of me.
Oh, you're exactly, and that's why I know some people it's one and done.
But that's the point he's making.
And then the point I'm making is I know me. It has nothing to do with you.
Hey, I don't mean to cut y'all off.
Go ahead, see.
Y'all remember? Hold on, no, they probably gonna be watching. Y'all remember that podcast we had, and the nigga said, "Yeah, somebody got some good pussy. I'm gonna cut him off after I hit."
I remember that. Yeah, I remember that.
I said, "You gonna cut him out?" He said, "Yeah." He said, "That's why, because you don't understand the difference between fish and beef."
Oh yeah, you talking about rest.
I said, "What the hell?" Nah, I said, "What the hell this nigga talking about?" And he thought he would drop a gem. Like, bro, that don't even make sense.
I don't understand fish and beef.
I got what
you look like me when he said it.
I get what you saying. What he basically was saying is that I know I basically. Let's say I get some diamonds.
I didn't like that.
This person may say, I'm gonna pay 10K for these. I'm gonna only pay 1K. So he basically taking the power from the masses saying everybody else pay 10K for these. It's just like saying, man, you wiped up a bitch with 3 kids. I won't even look at the bitch with 3 kids.
Yeah.
I wife up a bitch with 1 kid. So what